This is Matt with Heritage Tractor. This video I'm going to show you how to make a work plan from Operations Center on the desktop. So from your Operations Center homepage, you're going to go to Plan, then you're going to go to Work Planner. And depending on the year and the operation, you're going to select the correct year, and then, depending on what you're doing, you're going to select the correct operation. So we're going to leave it on harvest. Then we're going to go to Plan Harvest. Then you have your fields on the left side here. Our field name is 2026. There it is there. So we're going to select it. We're going to hit Next. The crop, we planted corn. If it has variety, you can turn on Variety Locator, and it'll show you the two varieties right here. Only half of this field is corn, the other half is wheat. And if you have AutoPath rows, you can toggle that on here. And you can see it right there, AutoPath rows, seeding corn. And then you can verify the date that it was planted, how many acres, and then you can see the AutoPath row data in there. This is something to check on if you did any replant and you want the first planting. You may have to go into Field Analyzer and merge those, because it may select the replant as it's the most recent seeding. Something you'll have to keep an eye on here. So then when you looking at the AutoPath, when you're good with that, you hit Done. If you had any other tracks, you could select them there. Now for machines, we're going to select Combine. We're going to select corn head. Operators, you could select an operator, you don't have to. Work order, if you had any of that information. Work instructions, if you wanted to add a note for the operator, something like just something for them to keep an eye on. And then from here, you can either send it directly to the machine, or you can send later. So we're going to hit Send Later. And here's the plan. You can monitor the progress. When the machine is in the field, this will give you an update on what percentage of the field is done. These are all not sent. When we send to equipment, this will change once it's been imported. If you needed to edit, you could edit it here, and you could send to equipment, and it will show up on the display.